G'day and welcome to Mind Your Buzzness. I'm Andy G. This episode is purely experimental. A friend of mine, Sean, sent me a video of bees being rather dopey. Have a look at this. Are my bees just as dopey as those ones? We'll have to go check, because I do have some bees that we can use.
In the dense underbrush of the garden, we encounter one of nature's most industrious creatures, the honeybee. Watch closely as the bee's tiny wings flit at an almost comical speed. The bee's mission is clear: collect nectar, pollinate, and, of course, come back to the hive and lose complete coordination. One could almost imagine it thinking, another day, another flower. I really need to invest in a helmet.
Crazy. I had no idea that they were that uncoordinated. I mean, I've sat there and watched them a few times in the past, but you don't really notice it unless you slow it right down, eh? So thanks for the video, Sean. Yes, my bees appear to be quite uncoordinated. Yes, it's funny to watch. Might have to sort them out with some high-vis or a traffic light system, or maybe better GPS. Anyway, all the same, interesting to watch. Thank you very much for joining me here on Mind Your Buzzness. I'm Andy G, episode 5 all done and dusted, and I'll leave you with this. What's a bee's favourite type of music? Bebop. See you next time.